SQL is a programming language used to manage data stored in a database. Using SQL, you can query, update, and reorganize large amounts of data. It is widely used and one of the more in-demand computing skills. Therefore, learning SQL can help improve productivity at your job. It can also help improve your resume to advance you in your career. Let me give you an example of a previous student's capstone project that they have finished. This is some data downloaded from a public government website containing how much each state spends on Medicaid. This data has already been cleaned and normalized, and here's one of the tables in a spreadsheet form. Now, to get the data from the spreadsheet into our SQL database, we need to write some code that will create the tables and import that data. So the student has done just that. This code here will create a table called state, and it will import the appropriate spreadsheet into that table. Now, this database has a total of 6 different tables. Once the data is inside of our SQL database, we can write queries to extract data. So here's one query. It's a very simple query. It just selects everything from the state table. And when we run that, we see the state table contains a list of IDs along with the name of that state. Now, at the end of the course, students will be able to create a front-end website that will interface with the back-end database. One of the queries here that we can use is how much does each state roughly spend on Medicaid? So if we click this without inputting anything, it'll show a list of all the states, their estimation of population and how much they spend. We can also insert a specific state such as Washington, and it will give us those results. If you take this PACE class, you will learn fundamental SQL skills. We will work through examples together, and you can bring your own data set for the capstone project. The link to register for the course is down below. We hope to see you there.